Before anyone works on high-voltage equipment, there's one more step between lockout and safe to touch: applying temporary protective grounds. Even after a breaker is opened, locked, and tagged, the conductors inside can still carry a lethal charge from backfeed, induced voltage, or stored energy. A solid ground gives that energy a safe path to Earth instead of through a worker's body, and it guarantees that if the system is ever re-energized by mistake, protective relays trip it right back off. That's why NFPA 70E and OSHA require grounds before work begins. Here's how it's applied. Even though the equipment has already tested absence of voltage, we treat it as energized until the grounds are on. So full arc-rated PPE, the hood, the face shield, the insulated jacket and gloves, stays on for the entire process. The grounding cluster is pre-attached to a hot stick. The hot stick keeps the worker further away from the exposed electrical equipment and outside the minimum approach distance. Hands never approach the bus directly. The ground end of the cluster is already tied back to a verified earth connection, so every clamp added from here creates a continuous, low-resistance path to ground. Using the hot stick, the first clamp is guided onto the bus stab, seated fully over the conductor, and closed with the hot stick's built-in mechanism. Never by hand and never by reaching into the equipment. Once that first connection is solid, the same motion is repeated for the second phase, and then the third, working across one clamp at a time. Rushing this step is where accidents happen. Each clamp needs a clean, tight bite. A loose or partial connection can't be trusted to carry fault current if the system is ever accidentally re-energized. With all three phases grounded and the ground reference already connected, the equipment is now in a verified electrically safe work condition. Only at this point can panels come off and work actually begin. When the job is finished, the order reverses. The phase grounds come off first, and the ground connection is the very last thing removed.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more electrical content. Drop your questions in the comments. We read every one. Be sure to follow us on our social media pages, which are listed in the description. You can find our podcast listed there as well. Thanks for watching.